Hello everyone, welcome to another installment of the Naviate Feature of the Week video series. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Naviate Architecture, and what I want to focus on today is the Naviate Architecture Room Copy feature. Now there's a bunch of different implementations for this particular feature, and what I want to take a look at specifically, a little something that's near and dear to my heart, is how I can utilize the Room Copy feature when I'm working in a building renovation project. So what I have here is a renovation project that I've been working on. I'm currently in the existing phase plan view, and I have a whole bunch of rooms here that exist in my existing phase. And if I go ahead and toggle over to my next window there, we can see what my new construction plan is currently. And I don't have any rooms in here yet. A lot of the rooms that I have in this space are exactly the same as the ones that I have in my existing plan view. So rather than having to recreate all those rooms within this view, we're going to take a look at how Naviate Architecture's room copy feature can quickly take those rooms out of my existing phase, copy them into my new phase without having to recreate them all manually. So we'll go ahead and just run that feature. Let's take a look. So Naviate Architecture here. I'm going to come into the room copy feature. Let that dialog box open for us. Now, like I said, this is just one implementation of this feature. This feature can also be used to extract room data from linked models. So if you have a structural sub or an MEP group, or maybe you're an interior designer working with an architect and they have all the rooms housed in their model, we could go ahead and utilize this feature to extract those rooms from that model as well, which is where this from project drop down will come in handy. I'm just working with this one project, so from my current project's fine. I'm going to tell Naviate where I want these rooms mapped to. I'm working on my second floor existing plan and my second floor new construction plan. And I'm just going to copy those rooms out of my existing plan to my new construction plan. And then my phase mapping, again, I'm working with a renovation here. So I'm placing those rooms into the new construction phase, taking them out of the existing phase, copying them out of the existing phase. So if I go ahead and hit copy here, it's going to launch us into another dialog box here. And I'm going to go ahead and select the rooms that I want to copy. One of the nice parts is as I highlight over each of these rooms, Naviate will go ahead and highlight them in the background for me so I can see which rooms I'm working on. So go ahead and grab all the ones that I know that I'm going to need in my new construction phase here. A couple more of these. That guy, and that should be good. So those are all the rooms that I have selected within my existing condition that I know I want to live also in my new construction. So go ahead and hit OK. Let Naviate run for a moment there. And then if I jump over to my second floor plan, new construction second floor plan, we'll notice we don't really see anything right away. So what I'm going to do is just to kind of qualify the fact that this command has worked the way I want it to, I'm going to use Annotate. I'm going to do tag all. I'm going to go ahead and run tag all rooms, and there we go. So we've gone ahead and created all of those rooms that I needed directly out of my existing floor plan into my new construction floor plan. Again, there's multiple different uses for this particular feature. That's one that I really enjoy. Like I said, having done a whole bunch of renovations over the years, big time saver there, instead of having to duplicate all of those rooms over into new phases. So that is the Naviate Architecture Room Copy feature. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll talk to you next time.